Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. If you ever want to paint your truck with truck bed coating or truck bed liner, you should watch this video. I'm going to go into details of how it's been done, the selection process of which type of truck bed coating you should be using, what the texture look like with and without a clear coat. I'm going to go through all of that with you step by step on how to paint it and what does it look afterwards. So this is a special project that I've been working on for the last few years. So at the final step, I decided to paint it with the truck bed coating. And you can see that this is a complete paint job already. And it has a truck bed coating on it and a clear coat. So the type of paint I chose is the Raptor liner. I'll give you all the details in the description so you know where to get them. And then I spray a polyurethane base clear coat on top of it. And I also show you the details of when I painted this truck. So you have an idea the process of it going through. Now the texture is really nice. You can see that, it brought out the color really well with the clear coat. I really love it. And it doesn't look too shiny. It's just the right color to my opinion. So it looks super nice. Now I'll show you the difference between the clear coat and not having a clear coat. So I decided to not put a clear coat on the interior to have it more like a flat kind of look. So you can see in here it definitely has the flat kind of look. And then if I go into here, you can see right away that this has a much richer color and it ties all together. And these are really easy to clean too. Let's say if you get dirt or something on it, you can just, clean up with water and it all come out. Now with this, it's a little bit harder to clean because it just doesn't have that sealer clear coat on it. So it takes more time to clean. So just keep that in mind. Definitely painting it with a clear coat is the way to go. Now walk around the truck so you can see what it really looked like. So yeah, it's not completely shiny. It's just like, it's between the flat and the clear as far as shininess go. All my wife's plants is in here. We're in Houston and it's gonna be a freeze coming up. So all the plants are in my garage. Zoom out a little bit. There you go. So that's the texture that you're gonna get when you finish painting it. I totally love it. It just definitely give it a off-road kind of look. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a rear shot of the vehicle where there's some polished stainless steel with this texture. So it looks really nice with stainless steel as well. So you can see the exhaust pipes are back here, and that's definitely is a good contrast with this color. And this is also get the clear coat on it, so it makes other component shows really well. And then this is what like flat plastic kind of black, and that's what it really looked like. Texture is really nice. So for the Raptor mix, one of these is gonna get 8 ounces of this, and then 3 ounces of the color. I'm gonna pull these into a mixing cup and mix it real well with the color. I just want to make sure that everything is mixed well, the color is uniform. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. Oh guys, here it is. All 2 gallons are gone. Look at that. Everything has been used up. I'm really glad I bought 2 gallons. I went through all the color, the tinted color as well. So here's the truck, guys. It's looking amazing. There we go. And I finished this right on time. You can see that the sun is right there. It's just about to come down. There we go. It's not fully dry yet. It's getting there. There we go. Everything is painted. Interior looks great. Okay, so I'm going to start prepping the surface for the final coat, for the clear coat. So the manufacturer suggests that you scuff with a scuffing pad before you put the clear coat on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now I'm only going to put the clear coat on the exterior. Interior, I probably like to leave it flat like that. So I'm just gonna scuff the exterior, and then we'll wait for the temperature to come up a little bit more, and then we'll spray that clear coat. Well guys, the manufacturer recommends that you scrub with a pad just like this before you paint the clear coat. And yet you can see the finish becomes real dull when you scuff it. Now I forgot how long it takes for everything to work. This actually took me 4+ hours to scuff the entire truck. Didn't realize it'd take that long. And it's around 1 o'clock right now p.m. Temperature 65 degrees, so it's perfect for clear coat. But I'm on the time crunch because I only have a few hours before it gets dark. So I'm gonna get going. As far as paint goes, it's gonna be super simple. You mix this photo one with a hardener, and I'm gonna shoot with the same gun I shot yesterday, Black Widow. This thing works great. So I'm mixing a mixing cup, and then get it on one of these paint system, and then we'll throw it on. Well guys, I was a little worried that how the clear coat turns out. It actually turns out really well. I walk around the truck, you can see what it looked like. It is very uniform, which is real nice because when you spray the truck bed coating, it's not very uniform. You see like some area of shininess and some are not. But with this, you definitely see a lot more uniform in the way it looks, which is great. And it's not like super shiny. Still has like that dull kind of look, which is real nice. That's the way I like it. There we go. I'm kind of ahead of schedule today. It took me about an hour and a half to spray top coat. I still have time to wait for it to dry up. Yeah, you see that still, this is trying to flash, so there's some places where it's still working on it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're thinking about doing the paint job on your truck with the truck bed coating, go for it. I think you're gonna like it. It definitely give it that nice off-road look. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comments and I'll answer all the questions for you. I've painted the entire project myself, so I do gain a lot of experience doing it. I appreciate you guys tuning in to KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.